Our world is a world of water.
The ocean. It covers more than 70% of our planet. A realm of
But beneath this surface lies a world beyond time. A silent...
Evolution is a relentless force, wiping the slate clean through mass extinctions.
They are living echoes of a world that should not exist. These are 5 survivors from the deep past and the ancient dangers they carry with them.
It moves with an ancient grace, a design perfected long before the first dinosaurs walked the earth.
Its lineage stretches back 500 million years, having witnessed the rise and fall of countless species, including the dinosaurs.
It is a living connection to a world we can barely imagine. A true survivor from the dawn of animal life.
Its survival is owed to its most remarkable feature, its shell. It is not merely armor, but
The shell is divided into gas-filled chambers, connected by a delicate tube called the siphuncle.
By precisely regulating the gas-to-fluid ratio, the Nautilus achieves perfect neutral buoyancy. But this ancient and elegant system carries an inherent and deadly danger.
It is a biological submarine, but one with a crush depth. If it descends too far, beyond approximately 8, and the shell catastrophically implodes. A prisoner of its own design, forever bound to the upper limits of the deep.
Number 4. In the crushing blackness a kilometer down, ghosts of the Jurassic hunt. This is the Frilled Shark, a creature that seems to have slithered out of a prehistoric nightmare.
Its anatomy has remained virtually unchanged for 80 million years, a relic from the age of dinosaurs.
It is a design so successful, so perfectly adapted to this dark world, that evolution saw little need for revision. It does not hunt like a modern shark. It ambushes, relying on the darkness and a terrifying biological weapon. Its primary tool, a feature that makes it a uniquely effective deep-sea killer, is its jaw.
The jaw's articulation is posterior, set far back on the skull, allowing it to open to an extraordinary width.
This allows it to swallow prey more than half its own body length whole, a feat few other predators can match.
300 backward-facing, needle-like teeth ensure one thing. Once a perfect predator, still haunting the depths as it has for millions of years.
Number 3. For decades, this was all we had of a creature from the deep past, a ghost in the rock record, Coelacanth. It was believed to have vanished with the dinosaurs, wiped out in the same cataclysmic extinction event. For the world of paleontology, it was the poster child for the very concept of extinct. Until it wasn't. In that catch, she found the impossible, a living Coelacanth. It was a discovery akin to finding a living Tyrannosaurus rex. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific world, rewriting textbooks and our understanding of life's persistence. Today, we know they survive. Hiding in deep-sea caves, they are living relics of the Devonian. Its true significance is not that it survived, but what it represents. The fins are its secret. These are the precursors to the legs of all terrestrial vertebrates, the legs that eventually would belong to us. In its DNA, it carries the blueprint for the moment life crawled out of the sea. A creature that forces us to confront the vastness of geologic time and the profound secrets the ocean can still keep. Number 2. Not all living fossils hide in the crushing deep. Some walk among us in play.
this is the Horseshoe Crab. Despite its name, it is not a crab at all. It's an arthropod more closely related to spiders and scorpions.
Its body plan was perfected 450 million years ago. It has survived 5 mass extinctions.
Its strangeness is a key to its incredible survival. But its greatest secret and its greatest vulnerability. When injured, the horseshoe crab's body does not react like ours. It lacks the white blood cells we rely on for our immune system.
It has specialized allobocytes. and its blood is blue due to its copper-based carrier protein, hemocyanin.
This blood contains a substance called limulus amacite light, or
In the presence of dangerous bacterial endotoxins, it clots instantly, trapping the threat. This unique property makes its blood invaluable to modern medicine, a cornerstone of pharmaceutical safety. Every injectable drug, every vaccine, every implant is tested using LAL to ensure it is free from deadly contamination. To fuel this critical industry, the crabs are harvested, a portion of their precious blood is taken, and most are returned to the ocean. But the process is not without a cost. A significant percentage of the crabs do not survive the stressful ordeal. Here lies the true danger for this ancient survivor, a creature essential to our own health and well-being. It now faces its greatest threat, not from an asteroid or an ice age, but from us.
Number 1. Beauty in the ocean is often a warning, and some warnings are written in lethal prose.
The box jellyfish. Its class, Cubozoa, dates back at least 500 million years.
This is not a simple, mindless creature. It is an active hunter, equipped with a surprisingly advanced sensory system. It has 24 true eyes, some of which are remarkably similar to our own, giving it 360-degree vision.
It can detect light, shadow, and color. It actively steers and hunts its prey with terrifying precision.
But its true power, its lethality, lies in its tentacles. They are armed with one of the most... Each tentacle is covered in millions of microscopic, spring-loaded weapons platforms called craniocytes.
Within each cell is a coiled, barbed, hollow thread held under immense osmotic pressure, waiting for a trigger.
When triggered by the slightest physical contact, the cell fires. It is one of the fastest mechanical processes in all of biology. The barb punctures the victim's skin, anchoring itself deep within the tissue to deliver its payload.
And injects a complex cocktail of venom directly into the tissue and bloodstream, beginning its devastating work instantly. The venom is a devastating mix. It is cardiotoxic, neurotoxic, and dermatonecrotic. It attacks the body on all fronts.
the assault on the heart, nervous system, and skin is simultaneous and overwhelming. It can cause cardiac arrest in mere minutes.
It is the most venomous marine animal known to science. A silent, transparent hunter that has perfected lethality.
500 million years. $8 million years. $400 million years. $450 million years.
100 million years. A highly venomous marine invertebrate with a distinct, cube-shaped bell up to 30 centimeters in diameter.
These are the great survivors. They have weathered planetary freezes, asteroid impacts, and volcanic apocalypses.
They have endured every threat this planet could throw at them. But now, they face a new force. One that changes the world not over millennia, but over decades. It is a force of incredible ingenuity and immense capacity for disruption. A single species whose arrival on the planetary stage has changed everything. The human species. We look into the deep and see monsters of the past, ancient predators, living fossils. We catalog them, we study them, we fear them. But perhaps, when the planet's oldest survivors look back up from the darkness, they see the most dangerous creature of all. One that survived just 200,000 years, yet has the power to undo 500 million. The ultimate question is not what dangers lurk in the deep, but what danger has just arrived.